Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a PlayStation 4 gamer looking to level up your communication game in 2025, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to use Discord on PS4, making it easier than ever to chat with friends while dominating your favorite games. Discord has come a long way, and with the latest updates, integrating it with your PS4 is seamless and fun. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure your PS4 is fully updated. Head to the Settings menu, go to System, and then System Software Update. This ensures you have all the latest features for Discord integration. Once that's done, you'll need to link your Discord and PlayStation accounts. Open the PlayStation app on your phone or go to the PlayStation website, log in, and find the Connections tab. Select Discord from the list and follow the prompts to authorize it. It's quick and secure. Now, for the exciting part, using Discord on your PS4. Launch a game or the PS4 dashboard, and look for the party system or voice chat options. With the 2025 updates, you can directly access Discord servers right from your console. Simply select Join Discord Voice, and choose your server or direct message group. You can even share your screen or hop into voice channels without leaving your game. Talk about game-changing. If you run into any hiccups, like audio issues, double-check your microphone settings on both Discord and PS4. Also, ensure your internet connection is stable for the best experience. Pro tip: use a headset for crystal-clear communication and immerse yourself fully. There you have it, folks. By now, you're all set to chat, coordinate, and conquer with Discord on your PS4. If this tutorial helped you out, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Game on!